Hey, buddy, what do you... what's this? It looks like some of those, projectiles. Oh, let me see if I read it. A firework. It looks like something's out of, Independence Day for these fans. Seriously, are you sure if we have to do something for this firework? Let's see if there's the other one. Yep, there's the other one. There's 2 fireworks of it. So maybe I should start the first one. Okay, are you sure I had to hold it or something? Or I have to like pretty much put it up. Okay, just pretty much put it that like this. So here it goes. And it suddenly moved. There. Alright, here it goes. Okay. Alright, here it goes. This is just the one. Might use fire flame. Here we go. Here we go. No. Come on. Go. Wow, that seems amazing. Yeah, love that explosion. And there's like fireworks in there, right? Yeah. Hey guys, what are you two doing there? I told you. Are you sure you had to like working on making a cake for me? It's Independence Day, right? Yeah. Everybody's actually so excited about this fireworks show around that night. Yeah. And also, why is dirty stuffs in there? Oh, we actually discovered fireworks, you know. In this island? Yep. Show it to me. Alright, here it goes. Okay, use the one. Okay. Wow, that seems amazing. I think it might going down somewhere else. Oh, are we gonna get a big feast? We're gonna got the eggs. We're gonna have a big feast. We're gonna eat the eggs. What the? Uh-oh. Ow. I think I got exploded by that firework thing. Oh my gosh. What did you do with that goddamn biker pig's bike? I think it might go in like some kind of homing missile thing. Well, the other one's actually just a regular and just exploded with fireworks. Do you steal it from the Pirate Pig's missiles? Which I'm confused to be fireworks too? No. He did it! What? You gonna blame me for this? No. What an idiot. Hey, don't call this guy an idiot. What's next? Are you sure if that canary's like coming through and slap me? Hey there. I can slap you. Yep, he totally slap you. I hate my clan. And moral of the story, not play with fireworks. Happy Independence Day, everybody. Have a safe 4th of July on that day. Goodbye. Seriously, look at it. It's July 4th right now, so be prepared for that fireworks show.